vegan cauliflower hot wings and some roasted veg, all low sodium. So we're going to start with the breading for our cauliflower. We have a half cup of flour, and then we're going to do half a teaspoon each about of black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and just mix that till it's incorporated. And then we're going to add a half cup of my homemade oat milk. Let's watch together, shall we?
Show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in her love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey,
don't forget to use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off your own link below. So we're going to pour that on our head of cauliflower that we chopped, mix that together. We're going to put some panko on top, mix that together, put that on a baking sheet, and we're just going to bake it flipping halfway, 40 minutes, about 400 degrees. And then, so roasted veg. So you can go rogue and do whatever. Look, that's a broccoli I forgot to put in my pot pie the other day, which you should go watch that recipe. Sweet potatoes, some carrots, onions, celery, I don't know, do whatever you want, you know what I mean? Okay, so then I'm gonna add some seasonings. I'm not doing salt again, but I'm gonna do like a tablespoon of Italian seasoning and like a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. We're gonna pour that over, a little oil, a little toss that together, put that in the oven as well with the cauliflower, but this is probably gonna take a little bit longer than the cauliflower because it's like huge. So I wanted to make like a buffalo sauce, but that was a little bit less sodium. So I found this like salt-free hot wing sauce. So I'm gonna try this out, and I'm gonna mix it with on the stove, obviously, with about a stick of some vegan melted butter and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then once that melts, I'm going to add this whole damn bottle, and then I'm going to whisk it together until it becomes a sauce. And then that's supposed to be like a buffalo sauce, but it wasn't really buffalo saucy, and I only used a little bit of it because it was super spicy. That's why I didn't like toss it in it. I just like drizzled some more over there, right? And then we're going to put this back in the oven, let the because it got a little wet, so we're gonna crisp it up. Okay, so it's not super buffalo saucy, but let me tell you, it is so good. And I poured the rest that we made back in that bottle, so now I have like another sauce, right? But the roasted veg came out perfectly. I mean, you can't go wrong with the roasted veg. And this ranch, okay, listen, you can have it on my, I don't know, I have it on my page a million places, but basically I just took like a little vegan sour cream that I had left over, a little, that oat milk, and then some dill, parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chives, mixed it together till I like the taste, and it was delicious. It's easy. You could use a vegan mayo instead of vegan sour cream. I just make it different each time depending on what I like. So subscribe. Love you.
Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.